In the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I find what I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it for me.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Here's a look at the things that we'll be using for today's DIY. I want to say, if you haven't visited me before, Happy New Year to everyone. And this is our first DIY of the year. I have pulled out all of these things. This basket is full with different paints. I have gold metallic paint. I have white spray paint. And I also have spray paint in an ivory biscuit. I also pulled or picked up these 3 vases. I have 2 in this size, and I paid $1 from them at a resale shop called Vase here in my area. I picked up this one. It was $2, and went into my stash. I have 2 of these candlesticks. I'm sure I got them from Goodwill, and I want to say it had a tag on them for $1.50 for each. And I have this one from the Dollar Tree, and it was $1 or $1.25 when I purchased it. And I have these. These are little wooden pegs, button plugs or hole plugs. These were given to me. I think my sister gave them to me. She said she don't know what she was going to do with them. Don't know where she got them. But we're going to use these on today. So today's project is going to be simple and fast. So I want to get started. I have some alcohol here, and this is just 91% alcohol. So I want to get started on my project. And before I start anything, I've already cleaned my glasses, but I will be painting them. So to get started, I want to make sure that my glass is clean. So I'm just going to take this cotton ball. Even though I cleaned it, I want to make sure that I wipe the outside of it, because this is where I'll be painting as well as gluing something too. So I just want to make sure that the glass is clean. Now we're ready to get started. So I pulled out my fix-all, and also I have my hot glue gun here. And what I want to do now is glue these little balls onto my jar. Now I only have this many, which was the 2-pack. So I'm gonna go up about 3 rows on each one. No, I'll start with 2, and then see if I have enough to go around a 3rd row. So let's just do 2 rows on each one. I want to take first my fix-all, and I'm going to add it in small increments on the jars. Take my hot glue gun, and I kind of want to, this is just for that fast adhesion. I'll do a little bit at a time.
Over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you think I left by 1 or 2 times. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause my house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here?
So this is what my piece is looking like.
What you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and add a couple 2 rows here and on all the other ones. I'm ready to add my second row. I don't have that many of the little plugs left, but we're going to space them out and try to get at least 2 more rows.
Got tired of your shit, you almost show my mind. Long stay coordinate, talking to you to try to play these games. Leave your family in the golden rain, and I don't think you'll ever change your ways. 'Cause our house, it's not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, keep wasting my time.
So I got 1 row around spaced out. Now I want to go up and go in between that row, adding my second row or third row.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on going back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on going back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna find me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, and I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you.
And here's what it's looking like. I'm going to go ahead and do it to all 3 and come right back. Now it's time to attach my cylinders to my candle holders. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my cotton ball with alcohol, and I just want to clean the top of the candle holders before I glue them down. I'll use my fix-all to attach them. I'll attach them, set them aside till dry, and we'll come back for the next step.
So sad when love will make you do all the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get straight to leave, you always tell me that you need me, and I'm weak 'cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you could learn to appreciate me, then it all remains the same. That you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change.
So I took my cotton ball along with my alcohol, and I cleaned all of the glue strands off of the glass. Now I want to paint. Now it's cold outside. Here it's about 9 degrees, and we have a couple of inches of snow on the ground. I don't know if you guys can see it from here, but yeah. So I can't go outside. Can't go outside to spray paint, so I'm gonna go in the basement. So if you want to see the color that I chose, you gotta keep watching. I'm gonna go downstairs, spray paint, and we'll come right back for the reveal.
I feel you, boy. Take with your love and your energy. Perhaps it was the way that you smile. I see you, boy. Oh, I need you, boy. 'Cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. To find someone like you. Yeah, 'cause
I think my vases turned out absolutely beautiful. But you let me know, what do you think? If you look closely at the vase or candle holders, the wooden dowels that I put in did not cover. The paint just did not cover the wood, but that's okay. It has a frosted look as well. And I might take a painter's brush and go back and add white enamel paint. To the bottom or the base of the candle holders, I sprayed 2 coats of spray paint. To the top, I only did 1 light coat because I wanted it to be more frosted so that the light will shine through. These vases can be used as a vase or as a candlestick. Now, I didn't add candles, but I did add the fairy lights. I didn't have any white ones, but I had these color ones, and I think the colors are absolutely beautiful. I also added a push light in the bottom of the taller vase, so you can use it in different ways. Absolutely love it. And if you like this video and this type of content, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And don't forget the notification bell so you'll know when Mary's Creative Decor have new videos released. Thank you all for watching. And have a wonderful, wonderful day. God bless. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.